my channel. Today we are going to be doing some cook with me. We've been cooking at home every single day. So today I decided it will be my turn to cook. Now, as you guys may or may not know, I'm not much of a cook, but you know, I do know how to do a little bit of things here and there. And I did this vegan taco recipe for my parents like multiple times, and it's so good. And we're in the mood of some Mexican food today. So we're gonna do some vegan tacos, some Mexican fiesta, and welcome my little brother and my dad. They're gonna be my assistants today. They're gonna help us out making this dinner for the family tonight. So we're gonna be doing vegan tacos, we're gonna be doing cheese quesadillas, and we're gonna do some guac with chips and all that kind of good stuff. So, Dad.
Me, what I will do.
So what I need you to help me with is we have bell peppers.
Okay.
Okay. We need to cut the bell peppers and saute it.
Okay.
I think that's the terminology. Is it saute it?
So we will.
You know, like with oils and like onions, garlic.
We are cooking or you cooking?
I'm gonna be doing what I know what to do, and you'll be doing the more, you know, complex stuff. So before we get started, let me show you guys the ingredients that we have. So I'm just gonna grab my phone and use this as the B-roll footage, just to show you guys what we have. We have two different types of bread. We have the bigger tortilla for quesadillas. We have the small street style tortilla for the actual vegan tacos. We have some butter to make it extra fattening. And then we have the plant-based Beyond Meat. I've used this multiple times. It comes in like a burger patty style, and this is like a ground beef style. So this is what we're gonna be using for our meat. And then we have bell peppers. We got some red onions, garlic, tomatoes, lemon, avocados for our guac. We got sour cream. We have, you know, just some extra dipping options, and we have some regular red salsa, and we have the Tostitos. Baba, how do they say this word?
Tostitos.
And we got that. So these are the ingredients we have. We have the beans already boiling. My dad is taking care of that now. Can you do this first?
Yes, what do you want me to do?
Yes, so cut it up, slice it up.
Slow?
Yeah, yes.
Small?
Yeah, decent.
Well, you want it
like this.
Like this.
So as my dad is cutting up the bell pepper, I'm gonna go ahead and get a little pan and start cooking the meat. It cooks really fast, by the way. Maybe you can stir the meat as we're waiting on it. All right, so we're gonna grab a little bit, not too much. Okay, that's good. That's a little bit too much, but that's okay. So we're gonna go ahead and just drop the vegan meat in here. Okay, and now just break it up into like little crumbles. So it's like, you know,
the ground beef
style. Exactly. So you're gonna do that on all of them. I'm gonna need you to work a little bit faster, bro. You just have to do it for about 5 to 8 minutes. So this cooks up pretty fast.
Like this?
Perfect. Yeah, like this. Beautiful. Dad, so how are you going to saute it? How are you going to تقلبها?
أكيد قلبها هاي يعني.
All right, so as my dad is cutting up the red pepper and my brother is stirring the meat, I'm gonna start cutting up things for the guacamole. The most basic ingredients for the guacamole is avocados, onions, garlic, lemon, and tomatoes, and salt and pepper. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm just cutting up the avocados. All right, so Dad is helping me with cutting up the onions. We'll put some in the guac mixture and then some in the tacos. So I'm using about 3 avocados. Guys, and I do apologize if I'm not doing it like the right Mexican way. You know, we're just trying to do the best that we can, our version of it. And now I'm just gonna cut up the tomatoes. I have 1 tomato. As I'm doing that, my dad is cutting up the garlic and the onions for our little bell pepper mixture. Vegan meat is pretty much done. We just have it on low right now. That way it could just stay hot till we're finished with everything else. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put the onions in the avocado mixture. Then the next step is some lemon, salt, and pepper, and we'll be all done with the guac mixture. So I'm just gonna cut up some lemon. I honestly just eyeball it. I don't do any measurements as far as like, the measurements of to put for the lemon and the onions and all that. So we're just gonna, you know, do a little taste test till it tastes good. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just drop the lemon here. So we're gonna go ahead and put some black pepper, some salt, lots of salt, and we're gonna go ahead and mix it up. We'll do a taste test and then figure out if we need more salt and pepper. All right, Ryan, I'm gonna have you do a quick taste test. So get some chips, nachos. I feel like it needs more salt.
Ooh, I like these.
Yeah, they're
Scoop
good.
them up.
All right. Okay, tell me what it's missing. Sometimes I put cucumbers in there, it's refreshing, it's good. Too much lemon? It's good? Did we do it all the way right?
Too much avocado taste.
Too much avocados? That's not a problem. I love avocados.
Too much avocado taste.
Oh, but does it need more salt or pepper?
Salt and pepper.
It needs more salt and pepper? Okay. All right, bro, that's enough. It was just a taste test. Okay, so a little bit more salt and pepper, and we are almost done with the guac. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and have all our sauces on the side. So here is the guac. I'm gonna go ahead and scoop it in here. Oh my God, I love guacamole so much. And it's actually really healthy. It has all the healthy ingredients in it. It's just the chips that is not. All right, so here's the first sauce option. For our next sauce option, haven't been to the gym in a while. We're gonna do some queso. You could totally do it homemade, but ain't nobody got time for that. So some queso here. We're gonna do some salsa. This is on the border salsa. Never tried that one, but
أول شيء لا بتكون مش معبية هوا بدكم
be
تعملوها
careful, knife.
بدكم تعملوها هيك شوي
مش تقلبها تحت.
لا هيك شوي وهلا
Ooh, did you guys see that trick?
لازم تعملوا هيك بالقبل.
Okay.
You understand? اوكي تعمل اي وقت هيك بتكون معبية كثير بدك تعملها هيك شوي.
And then we have the salsa. There we go. All right, guys, so we have all of our dipping sauce all ready. We're gonna put that on the side. We're gonna grab some of the tostados. So we have the appetizer all done. We'll put that on the side. All right, guys, so here we have the meat all done. And now we're gonna move on to the quesadillas. We're going to do it a little bit extra buttery and fattening. You can skip the butter if you don't want to, but we're gonna make it extra tasty with butter. I just rinsed the pan that we use the meat on, and we're just gonna use the same one. Bro, that's a lot! That's a lot for one quesadilla?
Oh, I thought it was for all of them.
No.
I thought it was like all of them are gonna cook only one butter.
No.
Oh, my bad, homie. Oh.
Okay, just to get the entire thing.
You could have swirled it like hard.
And then we're gonna grab one beautiful tortilla. What kind of tortilla is this? That kind. And we're just gonna go ahead and smother it. Is that the right terminology? Smother the tortilla with the butter, just like that. Grab some cheese now. Oh my God. And we're gonna go ahead and put the cheese on one side of the tortilla. Oh, that's a lot of cheese. So just like that. And we're gonna tilt this like this and let it melt for a few minutes. So we're gonna move a little bit fast and do a couple at a time. So I'm gonna grab another one. Put some butter. Yeah. You know, there's different methods to this. This is gonna be this.
That's a lot of butter, so I call that one.
This is gonna be this method. We're gonna go ahead and put that here. And then we're gonna grab some cheese. You guys, you could use vegan cheese. I've tried vegan cheese, but it's not like the best. So we're just gonna do some regular cheese. But if you really want it vegan style, you can totally do this with vegan cheese. All right. And now we got 2 tortillas, 2 quesadillas, I should say, cooking. We're gonna cover up the quesadillas just a little bit on low heat for a few minutes. All right, guys, so we are almost done. We have everything here. The only thing left is the street tacos. So we already have our sauces. We have our quesadillas. I cut them up. We have the bell pepper sauteed that my dad did. We have the beans right here, some cheese to put on the tacos. And then right now we're just putting the street tacos in the pan with the vegan meat as the last step, and we will be done.
Shawty wanna make you mine, shawty wanna make you mine, oh yeah, yeah. Shawty wanna make you mine, shawty wanna make you mine, oh yeah, yeah. Shawty wanna make you mine, shawty wanna make you mine, oh yeah, yeah. Shawty wanna make you mine, shawty wanna.
All right, guys, so we are done with everything now. We have our street tacos right here. So, guys, go ahead and get your taco.
Only one I take.
For now, just to do a taste test. And then,
Take this.
and then this is cheese quesadilla.
Some from here.
Some from here.
لا مش بقلبها؟
طيب شو بعد ناخذ؟
No, بتحطها بقلبها.
دي chicken quesadilla or no?
بقلبها؟
Yeah, but I need you to try the tacos.
طيب ناخذ لنا واحدة ثانية.
You open it, you fill it in, yeah? Baby. Baba, that's a lot of bell pepper. بدك cheese?
Cheese.
Cheese.
بابا.
Some cheese.
Okay.
Okay. بدك some sour cream?
لو سمحتي.
Sour cream.
Not too much this one, not too much.
Not too much? So maybe like this?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. بدك guacamole?
شو بدك guacamole?
Guacamole. Avocado?
حتى avocado. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now taste it. Do it in front of the camera. Taste it. Wait, let me show you guys how it looks. A little close up. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll show you a better close up in a second. But okay, Dad. رح تكون فرتانة شوي. شو؟
Oh.
Good? عن جد?
Perfect.
Oh, yay! All right, Ryan, let's see what you're doing. So you're putting a little bit of avocado, sour cream, bell peppers.
That's it?
That's it? Okay, go ahead and have a taste test.
Oh, I have cheese.
Do you like it? He's really honest. What is it missing?
It's good, but kind of dry.
Kind of dry? Oh, hot sauce! We can put hot sauce, you can put salsa, you know? But what would you give it a score out of 10?
7.
Set? Baba, a score out of 10, how much? 8.
Oh.
One out of 10.
It's 10-10.
10. Okay, cool.
I'll give it an 8 actually.
8? Okay, 8 is not bad. All right, I'm gonna create my
It's
taco.
really good, but it's really dry.
I think you need hot sauce, you know? And then that's why there's all these different toppings. I'm gonna have my first bite. Oh, it's good. The bell pepper, yeah, you're good. The bell pepper is really, really good. Dad, tell us did you do the bell pepper?
I do it.
How did you do it? What did you put? Because we didn't really see you.
I put black pepper, and
Black
I put paprika,
Paprika, I think.
and a little salt,
Salt, okay.
and
Olive oil or Mazzella oil?
olive oil. No, Mazzella oil.
Mazzella oil.
And I put كمون. شو الكمون؟
Come on.
Cumin?
كمان yeah, كمان. I put كمون.
Cumin?
You're so embarrassing.
والعقد الصفراء شو هي؟
It's cumin. عقد الصفراء.
وعقد صفراء انتوا
Yeah,
ترجموها
that's
بالانجليزي.
عقد صفراء. I don't know. عقد صفراء. I don't know. How does it look like? Some yellow.
Yes.
Yellow powder situation. All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and end the video right here. We're going to be watching a movie as we're eating all this food. I hope you guys are staying safe inside and being productive as much as possible. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys try these vegan tacos. And that is it for today. We're gonna go ahead and eat, watch a movie. So if you guys are new here, I would love it if you could. Jenna, stop watching me!
Dude, hurry up!
Jenna's literally on that side. She's trying to eat, but she doesn't want to be on camera, and she's waiting till I'm done with my outro. Anyways, if you guys are new here, I would love it if you can hit the subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Thank you, Dad, and thank you, Suna, for helping me create this. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!